We about to start this here destination. I really don't know where we're going or how we're gonna get there. But we're in a stolen vehicle and it's full of gas. So it's a good day so far.
Look at this little girl on this big old baby seat. Where your brother at?
Put your foot down.
Don't tell me you beat him up.
No.
Where he at?
With my papa and grandma.
Why you ain't with your papa and grandma? You was being bad, they didn't want to take you?
No.
Oh, they had to get you a spanking?
No.
She owing money.
What's up, campers? Hey. Can I get a smile just for the camera? Oh, hold on, do that again. What about in the back seat? Can I get?
Yes, hey.
Okay, I got some love. What's up, little man? You being good?
Yeah.
That's good. That's right.
You ready? This is Don Shiraz's escape place for the weekend. You know, it's just a little something.
No.
Yeah, this is.
Don't put that moniker on it.
And this is his son. This is my boy Braden, the next football star, coming out of Grand Rapids, Michigan.
The next football star after the next football.
Oh yeah. First, Reed's going places. We already know that. That's already established. And also, this is Miller Lite.
Yeah.
It's been a pint. It's in a aluminum can. I don't think in Georgia or Wisconsin. Well, y'all in Wisconsin, aren't we? Hello? Yeah. Kids. This is the bus stuff because it's free.
His pole caught a fish, and he said that's the only way he can fish when he doesn't fish.
It's like the second shooter in the grassy knoll. Was he really lad? Did it really happen? Was that really my line? We don't know. Just speculation. Maybe it happened, maybe it didn't. Like the Loch Ness. You hear about it, some people seen it, some people didn't. Maybe it didn't happen. We don't know. Let me go see this fish.
Let's go give him to the catfish. I told you, Jimmy. Jimmy, come on. Let's go fish in this spot. Good job, Daddy.
Got him.
He was gonna put it in his fish tank.
That's the only fish that was stupid enough to get caught by me.
Yeah, we saw how he brought that fish in.
Yeah.
He just put his pole down and he finally caught one.
It only took me 11 hours to catch it.
Yeah.
We'll be protected. I'm a master chef. Look at how pretty those pancakes look.
All of them the same size, except for that one.
Yeah. That's how we do it there.
See what happens when you have friends come over? You have to stay in the kitchen and cook.
I know. That's all right. I don't mind.
Yeah.
Start from the pooper. Go outwards. Come back to the head. Make sure the knife is sharp. I don't know if it's sharp enough.
Yes.
She's silly.
He's at a cooking show.
That's right.
Ew,
I'm gonna
blood.
take the head right behind
Blood.
the dot right there. Cut it off.
He's starving. It's still moving.
Yeah, watch out.
About to get it. See that?
Mm-hmm.
You're about to get that on your hand right
That's a
there.
red German spider. It's in America.
Something came and cut it.
Cut myself. I don't know how bad it is, but I'm afraid to look. I know right now I have a stomach ache and a headache.
Total decapitated.
No!
Thanks, buddy.
I'm looking at my butt right now.
You guys get it done yet?
I need to lose weight.
Shouldn't have showed him that. Both will be gone in the morning.
Captain Dave.
Captain Dave. Sorry, Captain Dave. This first name, Mark. Woo! Yummy, yummy.
Dave, I think you need some more air in this tire.
Where is your life vest?
Oh yeah, I need me a life. I need 2 life vests. I need 2 because I weigh more than the average sea lion.
Yeah.
And if I fall in the sea, I ain't lying. I ain't coming back up.
You see Troopy.
It's the eagle's nest, but the eagles aren't in there.
No. Welcome to the Pleasure Palace. We in Black Hills, Wisconsin. About 45 minutes out of Wisconsin Dells. If you've never been here, you need to come. If you're black as hell, you don't need to come.
Yeah.
That's my nephew Braden there. My niece Angela right there. She about to get busy. And hey.
Is she already out there in the
That's what
water?
it is. No. If it weren't for Don Schreier, this wouldn't be possible. If it weren't for Jennifer Schreier, it wouldn't be possible. Thank you.
Deer came up right there.
Yeah, you was asleep. Didn't even know it. All 3 of them.
Daddy. Daddy.
What?
Was swimming in the lake.
I was a German Shepherd.
She doesn't listen at all. Period.
Nigga, tickets so Joe come on get your nose broke.
Right? Ooh, look at. Oh, you better stop here. Get up. Ooh. Look at your daughter trying to beat up her grandpa. Her grandpa knocking her. Like it. You gonna be white.
Get a whoop booty. Now it's time to say goodbye to all my Negro friends. Been nice. Happy birthday to Will and Don and Jason and Terry, Sissy, Jennifer, and Aiden and Trad and I'll try. Farewell speaking.
Hey, you know, we had a good time out here. I think that, I would just like to say that, I sure do appreciate the peoples taking out the time and the moments to share moments in time with the peoples. That appreciate the peoples.
Wow.
I had a great time, and actually, we need to do some stuff like this every year. We need to get together with those that want to get together and do the things that people do when they get together. They want to be around to be together. That's what I say.
That was said nice and smooth. You understand that? You never been got together? Let's say about it again.
It was great. I loved it. I might want to stay.
Closing this chapter 1, baby. Oh yeah. Wait till next month, chapter 2.
Yeah.
Vegas. October, chapter 2. Vegas?
It was a lovely experience. I enjoyed spending time with the family and friends and family up in the Dells.
I got to hang out with Sissy and Jamie. Get to go fishing and swimming when I was old.
Did you catch anything when you was fishing?
Yeah, I caught big fish. Caught 6 fish in all.
What had happened was, when they opened the floodgates, we got inundated with brown peoples. But the trip was awesome. We had a good time. I had a good time. I can't really speak for Nan Nutter. I can't really speak for Nan Nutter person. But yeah, I had a good time. It was fun. You know, now it's kind of time to get back to the real world and act like a grown-up a little bit. But I had a good time. I enjoyed myself. I'll tell you something, this is a long trip. When we first started, I was 19. Now I'm going on 57. By the time we get home, I should be ready to retire. So this was a retirement trip.
So how'd you feel when you saw your first bear?
Yeah. I don't know why you talking about Teresa like that. What would you better erase that? Wait, erase that. Erase that part. I was just playing. If you ever see this, I was just playing.
I will cut that part out.
Yeah, you better cut that part.
No, I'm just playing part.
Oh. Teresa, I didn't mean that. What had happened is Will rolled up one of them Mexican cigarettes and made me smoke it. I didn't mean that. I was talking out my mind. I did not mean it. You know, but it was fun. Although we did almost get attacked by something last night. I think it was a hawk or an eagle or a mixture. Maybe it was a eagle. Not really sure what it was, but last night someone was in the trees trying to attack us. Didn't really see too many wild animals.
Oh, fox. Fox and a deer.
A lot of deer.
How many fish did you catch? Let me see if you can tell the truth like your son.
I really didn't catch any fish. I caught some bait that you normally would use to fish with. But I had one that I almost caught.
How big was it?
Well,
Show me with your hands.
it was roughly about the size of this truck.
But keep them on.
It was roughly about the size of this truck, and I was only using a 2-pound test. So I almost had him, but it didn't work out.
What'd you have on your hook?
I had on my hook some breast meat from a lamb wrapped around a toothpick, hooked on the yarn. And that's what brought him in, you know. It was an Al Salvadorian Neptune bucktooth zebrafish. Yeah, them the biggest fish, also called guppies. So yeah, I had him, but you know, he was able to get away. Because they also known to have barbed wire for teeth. So he got away.
And that is all from our trip. 1999 it is. That's a deer. Old as a motherfucker. He's out in the daytime like ain't shit happened. Don't worry, buddy. That's all right there.